Mo.
Mo.
Ano to?
Okay. This is how we're gonna celebrate our second monthsary. So I was thinking, magde-day trip tayo sa Subic. Pagdating natin sa Subic, itong gagawin natin. Number 1, horseback riding. Then we visit the safari, just see the animals. Wreck diving, look at all the stuff underwater. I'm sure we'd love that. Snorkeling, maybe look at the turtles, I don't know. And then finally, a romantic sunset dinner by the beach. Just a whole day of quality time. What do you think?
Ang ganda. Pero di ba busy tayo next week?
Kaya natin yan. Ibubook ko na. Fine. If not this weekend, next weekend.
Meron kasing check-up si Lola nun eh.
Next weekend. Max, siguro naman, free ka na nun. Kasi kung hindi pa, sasabay na yung celebration natin para sa third monthsary natin.
Sorry, kagabi lang kasi namin na plano eh. May outing kami ng mga kapatid ko kasama si Dad. How about next week? Dinner na lang tayo. Okay lang yun?
Nilalang muna lang yung mga monthsary natin.
Huh? Saan galing yan?
I don't know, it just feels like ako lang yung gusto mag-celebrate ng monthsary. Hindi mo nga naalala na monthsary natin soon eh.
Babe, hindi ko nakalimutan.
Max, this feels like such an inconvenience to you. You don't even want to make time for this, for us.
Wait, anong sinasabi mo? I make time for us. Magkasama pa rin tayo sa monthsary natin, ha? Hindi lang en grande, hindi no quality time.
Max, I've been planning this for so long. All you have to say is yes, pero parang wala ka
Yun
pang
na nga,
gana.
Dave. Yun na nga. Ikaw lang nagplano. Di ba? Ikaw lang may gusto. Eh ako, gusto ko ba yan? Gusto ko ba na ganyan yung celebration natin sa monthsary natin? Naisip mo din ba kung papayagan tayo ni Dad sa day trip na yan? At inassume mo lang na gusto kong gawin yung lakad mong yan. Eh what if ayaw ko, di ba? Pakiramdam mo ba hindi ka importante sa akin? Eh ako, importante ba ako sa'yo? Kasi kung importante ako sa'yo, iniisip mo sana ako at yung mga kailangan at gusto ko dyan sa plano mo.
First time that I saw you, I instantly knew that you're the one for me. We've been looking at each other. You gave me that sweet smile that got me taken aback. Don't know how to react. What can I do if I'm afraid to get close to you? What can I do if I imagine I can't be with you? What can I do if I can tell you my reasons right now? For you said there's no need to worry, we're not in a hurry. Tell me all about you, I just wanna be with you, pull me closer. I'm not going anywhere, name a place, I'll be there. Share your secrets with me, I just wanna be with you, pull me closer, closer.
I'm sorry, babe.
I love you, Mo.
Thank you for this.
You're most welcome. You know, it would have been better though if we were at the beach. Just saying.
Gusto mo talaga mag-beach?
Huh?
Tara.
Wait, what?
Basta, halika na!
Mas, alis.
Basta!
It's only you right now. There's no need to worry. We're not in a hurry. Tell me all about you. I just wanna be with you. Pull me closer. I'm not going anywhere. Name your place, I'll be there. Share your secrets with me. I just wanna be with you. Pull me closer. I just wanna be with you. Pull me closer. I'm not going anywhere. Pull me closer. Tell me everything about you. Pull me closer. 'Cause I just wanna be with you. Pull me closer. I just wanna be with you. Pull me closer. Pull me closer. All day fresh feeling when I'm with you. I feel like I don't have to hide. Pull me closer.